Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. We are talking about smart money concept, and today's video we are going to talk of change of character. In the chart below, this is a gold USD 1 hour time frame, and I'm going to explain to you what's the meaning of change of character. Most of the traders doesn't differentiate between a change of character and a break of structure. In this chart, we can find this movement was a downtrend on a 1 hour time frame, and I have marked a break of structure. BOS means break of structure, and this is in a downtrend. So from here, I'm going to explain from here. This was a previous lower low. This was the previous lower high. The market moved, it tapped the previous lower low, it went up, it then broke this lower low. Since you can see there, the initially this lower low, it was tapped and the market was unable to break. We can see a small wick here, which actually means liquidity sweep, but we are going to explain that one in another video. After the market broke this lower low, this is what we call a break of structure. The market continued moving down, creating a new lower low. It later came back here to retest this area. This was the last bullish candle before a downtrend. So this we can call it a order block or a point of interest. And you can see clearly when we talk of a point of interest, but I'm going to talk that one in another video. The market retests the point of interest and then continues moving down. It comes here, it sweeps, there is liquidity, it moves up. It was unable to close below this lower low with a full body candle. So this one we cannot call it a break of structure. The break of structure happened here where the market broke with a candle and it stayed there for like 3 to 4 hours. So that one we can identify it as a valid break of structure. After that movement, the market continued moving down, creating lower lows and lower highs. Here we can see the market broke this structure here. It moved up to test this order block, supply here, and broke another lower low to create a new lower low. After that, the market was in a consolidation state. Traders note that this was the last lower high that broke a structure. The market continues its consolidation here, failing to break this lower low. So in this video, as I talked earlier, we are talking of change of character. And when you look here, these areas are labeled internal break of structure. These are break of structure to the upside, forming an uptrend, but up to this level the market didn't break the previous lower high. Here we can see there is some wicks, so this one we identified as a liquidity sweep, and after the liquidity was swept for the previous lower high, the market never closed above it with a full body candle. When we talk of break of structure, we talk of full body close, and it is some of the factors to consider when there is a full body close is how long did it take for the market to stay above that point. So if this candle, the bullish candle you can see, if it went up to this level and closed and another bearish candle open and it closed below this point, we cannot identify that one as a break of structure. So this market moved downside and failed to create a new lower low from the previous lower lows level here we can see, and it continued to move upside. After it broke this level, this is now what we identify as the change of character. It broke this previous lower high here, confirming to us that there is an uptrend. This is now which we call a valid change of character. But when you check in a higher time frame, this trend here and this trend here, we can see clearly the market continued to form higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, lower highs. So this is a clear change of character, and this is what we call in smart money concept change of character. If we move this side, we can see this uptrend market continued getting higher highs and lower highs up to this level. The market created a higher high, a lower high, a higher high, a lower high, a lower high. It failed to break this area, which is a higher high. So clearly, if you just check on this area and mark this area, I'm going to mark this area like this. I'm not very good at drawing, but I will show you this one. This market is showing that this is a downtrend, a small downtrend in a lower time frame. But this downtrend failed to break this lower high in a 1 hour time frame, so it has not yet broken. And you can see clearly here the market came touched here and continues moving up. I have told you clearly that if this market breaks a candle, bullish candle breaks here and another bearish candle opens, moving on a downtrend, that is not a clear market break of market structure. So I'm going to mark this one here, and you can see even if the candle broke and closed outside, the next candle, which was bearish candle, closed inside this range. You can call it a range because it has not yet broken here. And after touching this point, this market created a lower high since it didn't break this previous higher high. The market continued moving this direction in a downward direction, breaking this lower high, and this is what we call change of character. Change of character. So this market now is in a downtrend, and if you check clearly, this is a downtrend, but you can remember here we have a previous lower low, so it's in a downtrend because it has changed character from this continuous uptrend, and we are going to confirm a full downtrend continuation because now we are targeting at this point. We will see if the market will continue moving down, 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 down. Now the market is forming lower lows and lower highs, and that is a clear definition of change of character for the today's topic, traders.